Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified of more videos. And today I decided I wanted to make a smoothie that I never made before for gentle digestion, and I'm going to try it. I've never tried it before. Let's see the ingredients. So I am using some plant milk. I will put everything in the description, of course, the measurements and tips and everything. If you are concerned about having smoothies in the fall, I would recommend you have them at room temperature. I love to make like pumpkin pie and sweet potato pie, and so I am taking some of the sweet potato and I'm putting it into my smoothie. I am using some melons. Yes, I'm using some melons. I'm not using all of these melons. I'm going to save them for later to have alone, but since I'm putting them in the smoothie, I said I'll give it a chance because I know that it will digest very quickly. But since I'm putting them in the smoothie, I'm going to take about a cup of the melon, and I'm probably gonna put a little bit of apple as well. I'm taking some pumpkin, like this pumpkin spice, and a piece of ginger. I'm putting the melon in. I'm taking some of the sweet potato. I'm taking the spice, the pumpkin spice, and the ginger, and I am taking the lovely plant milk. Alright, Divines, we are going to go ahead and try this lovely smoothie for gentle digestion. And I would have never considered sweet potato with cantaloupe, but at the end of the day, I am going to try it because there's nothing wrong with trying something once. Right away, I can smell the pumpkin spice. I use the pumpkin spice mix from Whole Foods. Remember, I use ginger and a little bit of apple. You know, gives you the fiber. I kept the skin on. And remember, you do not have to use cantaloupe. You can use papaya, mango, or pear. So we are going to try this lovely smoothie. Okay, so if I were to have this again, I would have to sweeten it. And so I would recommend you sweeten this. I don't have to have it sweetened, but I would want to. I just wanted to try something different. And the beautiful color, look at the color. As always, you know, at Montauk Avenue, not only do we improvise, we try new things. I will finish this and I will let y'all know how, you know, how it worked out for me with this. As always, my amazing divines, I want you all to continue to be blessed, be well, be true to yourself. Peace, divines.